Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise file handling. इसको हम पहले भी पढ़ चुके हैं, बट थोड़ा सा रिवाइज करेंगे. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर एग्जाम. इसमें इंट्रोडक्शन, डेटा फाइल्स, ओपनिंग क्लोजिंग फाइल्स, रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग फाइल्स, स्टैंडर्ड इनपुट आउटपुट एंड एरर स्ट्रीम्स. First of all, we will discuss about the file handling. What is the use of file handling? File handling, basically it is used to store the data of the program. Is a mechanism by which we can read data of the disk files in Python program or write back data from Python program to the disk file. Yes, Python programs की जो output आती है उसको हम permanently store करा सकते हैं with the help of the files. Okay, the main purpose of the file handling is that to store the output from the program. Okay, so for in our Python program, the standard input is coming from keyboard and output is going to monitor. Nowhere data is stored permanent and entered data is present as long as program is running, but file handling allow us to store data entered through Python program permanently in disk file, and later we can read back on the data. This is the main purpose of the data file handling. Data files. There are the two types of data files, text file and binary files. Text files में जो डेटा स्टोर होता है वो ASCII में होता है, American Standard Code for Information Interchange और Unicode characters. In text file, everything will be stored as a character. For example, if data is computer, then it will take 8 bytes. And if the data is floating value like this, it will take 10 bytes. In text file, each line is terminated by special character EOL. टेक्स्ट फाइल में कोई भी आपका फाइल में जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं, जो स्ट्रिंग है, वो एंडेड होती है बाय एंड ऑफ लाइन. इन टेक्स्ट फाइल सम ट्रांसलेशंस टेक प्लेस व्हेन दिस EOL characters is written. In Python, EOL is /n or /r, combination of both. Binary files, it stores the information in the same format as in the memory, that is, data is stored according to its data type, so no translations occurs. In binary file, there is no delimiter for new lines. Binary files are the faster and easier for program to read and write than text file, because the computer can understand only binary files. Data in binary files cannot be directly read. It can be read only through the Python program for the same. Steps in data file handling. Opening file. First of all, we should open the file. We should first open the file for read and write by specifying the name of the file and mode. Performing read and write operations. Once the file is opened, now we can either read or write, for which file is opened using the various functions available. Closing files. After performing operations, we must close the file and release the file for other applications to use it. Opening file. File can be opened for either read and write append. Syntax. File object open file name. File object open file name comma mode. Default mode is read mode. Okay. The file can be opened in read and write and append mode. Opening files. My file equal to open story.txt. Here disk file story.txt is loaded in memory and its reference is linked to my file object. Now Python program will access story.txt through my file object. Here story.txt is present in the same folder where .py file is stored. Otherwise, if the disk file to work is another folder, we have to give full path. This is the process of opening the files. My file equal to open article.txt. Here R is for read, although it is by default. Other options are W for write, A for append. My file equal to open d/d of poem.txt. This is the full path. At the time of giving path, we must use double quotes, double backslash in place of single backslash, because in Python single slash is used for escape characters and it may cause problems like if the folder name is Nitin and we provide /d/n poem.txt, then it /n Nitin /n will become escape characters for new lines. So always use double backslash in path. Okay. Opening files, my file open d two backslash my data two backslash poem.txt. Okay. Another solution of double backslash is using r before the path, making the string as raw string. No special meaning attached to the any characters. My file open r double quotes में d/my data poem.txt. Yes, this is the method how to make open the file. फाइल हैंडल माई फाइल ओपन, इस टाइप से आप इसको ओपन कर सकते हैं. यस, फाइल एक्सेस मोड ये आपने ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं, हम इसको रिवाइज करा देते हैं. टेक्स्ट फाइल मोड आर मोड, बाइनरी फाइल मोड आरबी. डिस्क्रिप्शंस में रीड ओनली मीन्स आर यूज फॉर रीड ओनली for text mode and RB used for binary mode. This is for only read only. File must exist, otherwise Python raises input-output errors. For these reasons, we will open the file in read only mode, and for this file must be exist, otherwise errors will come. W and WB, write only. If the file does not exist, file is created. If file exists, Python will truncate existing data and overwrite the files. Yes. A and AB, append modes. Files in write mode, only new data will be added at the end of existing file. No overwriting. If the file not exists, it is created. Yes. What is the difference between append mode and write mode? Write mode में आपका फाइल ओपन होगी अगर फाइल एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगी. ओके. अगर फाइल एग्जिस्ट करेगी तो पाइथन क्या करेगा, पुराने डेटा को ओल्ड डेटा को ट्रंकेट कर देगा और ओवरराइट कर देगा उस पर. अपेंड मोड क्या होगा, फाइल राइट मोड में ओपन होगी और न्यू डेटा जो ऐड होगा वो लास्ट में होगा. ओके. नो ओवरराइटिंग, उस पर कोई ओवरराइट नहीं होगा, जो पहले से डेटा है वो रहेगा आपका. R+, R+B और RB+, रीड एंड राइट. फाइल मस्ट एग्जिस्ट, otherwise error is raised. Both reading and writing can take place. R+ या RB+ में दोनों में मोड में आपका ओपन होगा, रीड में भी और राइट में भी. अगर फाइल आपकी एग्जिस्ट है तो कोई एरर नहीं आएगी, अगर है एग्जिस्ट नहीं है तो एरर आ जाएगी. W और WB+, राइट एंड रीड. फाइल इज क्रिएटेड इफ नॉट एग्जिस्ट, अगर एग्जिस्ट नहीं है तो फाइल क्रिएट हो जाएगी, अगर एग्जिस्ट है तो डाटा आपका पहले वाला डिलीट हो जाएगा, ट्रंकेटेड. Append mode, write and read mode, same as above, but previous content will be retained, both read and write. Okay. Closing file, as reference of disk file is stored in the handle, the file should be closed. Okay. MyFile.close functions. Open function is built-in function used standalone, while close must be called through the file handle. Okay. Reading from the file, to read from the file, Python provides many functions like file handle read and reads and return and bytes. If any is not specified, it reads entire file. Read file handle dot read line reads a line of input. If any is specified, reads at most n bytes. Read bytes in the form of a string ending with line characters or blank string if no more bytes are left or for reading. File handle or read lines, read all lines and returns them in a list. Suppose we have the example, India is my country and all Indians are my brother, sister. I love my country and I am proud of it. This is the message stored in the sample file.txt, data.txt, and we have the programs. My file open. In this we will open the file in read mode, str5. Read 10. It will read the 10 characters from the beginning. Okay. India is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The spaces are also included. Okay. And then read 5. After that, it will read the 5 characters. str3 myfile.read and rest of string will be read. Print output first read, सेकेंड रीड YCOU, यस, यहाँ पे इतना रीड करेगा और उसके बाद फिर YCOU के बाद NTRY से पूरा पैराग्राफ आपका रीड करेगा। ओके, दिस इज क्लियर। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अभी आप इसी की प्रैक्टिस करिए। नेक्स्ट में हम आपको और एग्जाम्पल कराएंगे और उसको फिर फिनिश कर देंगे। टिल देन, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।